What's going on, beautiful people? It's your boy Terrence Gibson here. You know, when I join something, I just launch video after video after video. We just got into a program that only costs $15 a month, and you have the opportunity to make $446,000 a month when the matrix are full. It's not a cycler, it's a matrix program that has been done over. This company actually came out in 2021, but it's been redone so that the little guy can become the big guy. Put it that way, because the marketers are going to get it regardless. But the guys that don't have the funds to get in at $100 a month or $75 a month, or now they can get in at $15 a month and they can blow this thing up. So in my last video, I went through the beautiful website and how everything is broken down: home, pay plan, wealth, products, marketing, frequently asked questions, answer all your questions, contact, about us. All that's in the other video. We got this awesome video that you need to come in here and you need to watch this video. Matter of fact, my video right now is going to be so short, I could literally play this video for you.
In case you didn't know, one day you will die. And I want to show you why the job that you have that you hate is a waste of your life. See, this right here is our childhood and our teenage years, and we have a lot of fun. And most of us usually get a job right around here at 20 years old. And most people will retire
start
at the age of
in between here.
Now, if we're lucky,
some of us
we'll live all the way to 80 years old. Now, if you look at this, the majority of our lives will actually be spent at work. But a recent Gallup poll found that 85% of people in America don't enjoy their jobs. And in China and Japan, that number is almost 94%.
94%.
Now, that's a crazy statistic. Most people hate what they do, but spend most of their lives doing it. Do you want to spend the majority of your life doing something that you hate doing? And just so you know, if you're slaving away for retirement down here, you're missing the point. Because only 82% of people in the world will actually live to the age of 65. And if you get to 65, on average, you only have about 15 more years left to live after you retire. And also, so you know, only 65% of people actually live into the age of 80. So don't stay at a job where you dread Mondays and live for the weekends. If you don't like your job, quit it. Find another way to make money. It's okay to wake up tomorrow and completely reinvent yourself and become the person that you've always wanted to be. It's never too late to start. Now, you may be thinking, well, that's unrealistic because I have a family to feed. And what I want you to think of is this. If your children grow up just to be just like you, and you work a job that you hate, guess what they will do when they get older? The same thing. Do you want that life for them? Wouldn't you rather have your children watch you live a fulfilled life doing what you love so that they can grow up and do the same? Even if it means that you make less money? Because no matter how you make your money, whether you're the CEO of a billion-dollar company or a janitor, we all end up as dust. And so it's with really great love and respect that I want to challenge you to rethink your life. If you're not happy with your job or your purpose or your meaning in life, change it. It's okay to make less money doing something that you love and not feel the need to buy a bigger house or a new car just because your neighbor did it. You don't have to keep up with the Joneses. Don't fear being judged by people just because you don't have that great job title. Don't look back at the end of your life and see unfulfilled dreams or chances that you didn't take in days that were just wasted away at a job that you hated. Don't be so busy making a living that you forget to actually make a life, because life is so short. Do something that you love and be proud of it. And when you're not working, spend that time with the people that you love. Because here's the deal. You weren't born to just pay the bills and die. You were born to thrive.
Wow. And just to double back off of his chart, let's go back to before his ads come up. To double back off his chart. Right here, we're the most dreamingest people in the world. I mean, we are ready to conquer the world. But we go through this process, and by the time, if you go through college and come out 21, you leave with all these ambitions for your life, but then you get right into the taskmaster zone where you're getting told, okay, now help me build my dreams. Somebody else. We right here, we're dreamers. We're just learning how to be innovative. But we get here and we throw it all away to build somebody else's dream. That's pretty much what he's saying. And that's a 40-year span. He got it all the way in the middle. So probably 65. Yeah. 65. So that's all the way up to the year till you're 65 years old. And that's right now. It might change later on. They might stretch it to 70, regardless if people are living longer or less. But look at the little bit of time you got left to enjoy these 40 years of work that you pretty much took like 1-2 vacations a year, if that. Then you get here, you got to try to take all the vacations you can in 15 years, and all this is gone. And all the time with family, friends, children, all that is missing in here because you were here. So that's why it's best to build something that you could build from home where your family is. And then you can enjoy everything. That's what I love about this video. That's why I wanted to play it. So everybody can see it. Then it showed you the back office where you can go in here, use your autoresponder, create your own lead capture page. Whatever you choose to do, it's there. You check on your commissions and everything, it's in there. Everything on here, this company is so simple that I can explain it from my Facebook page. So Wealth Step by Step was founded by Adam Walker on December 3rd, 2021. Adam's mission is to help the average person succeed in network marketing for just $15 a month. It has a very simple yet powerful compensation plan, which is very lucrative. So in a nutshell, phase one, which you can see down here, and I'll click on the picture in a minute, 3x4, $4 each is $468 a month. And the product for that is the autoresponder, which sends your emails automatically. And you need to keep up with your people. So as somebody join you, it sends your emails back automatically. And whatever you do, phase two, 3x5, $4 each. Turns out to be $1,400 a month. Lead capture page creator. So this takes the emails. So you can stick them into the autoresponder and send them whatever you want to send them on a daily basis. Phase three, 3x10, $5 each, 442,845. And where I get the 446 is you add these together, and pretty much you'll have $446,000 a month. And the product for that is the 2 bottles of Probiotic Plus. So you're getting your health together, and these two things are helping you build your business. And you're making sure your health is right at the same time. And no matter what, or no matter how far you are in this business, you never came out of pocket more than $15 a month. Depending on however long it took you if you just jump straight out the gate and you're building from the gate and people just start joining you, you probably only spend $15. But if you take some time, you're only going to come out 15 until you grow. That's all it's going to take. All right. Got a conference calls every third Tuesday. I'm sorry. I don't know. I said Wednesday. Every Tuesday. Here's the number. Here's the PIN code. You can take a free tour right here on this link. It'll take you back to the capture page. Fill it out. Take the free tour. And then, decide if you like it or not. That's up to you. And then, I'll get an email telling me that you're there. And then I'll check in with you. And also put on, I can actually add to this too now, since I put it on I just added a Telegram group to this also. So let me go ahead and pull that. Manage group, invite links, copy links. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to edit posts. And I'm going to go under here and put Telegram. And then from here, you can join the Telegram group. So copy and just place that there and save it. And Facebook is really not big on links, but check these links to let you know they're verifiable. So that's probably a good thing. So most people might not see this post because that's just how Facebook is. They made this for Facebook to make money, not for us to make money. But some people will see it. But that's why I just put it anywhere that way. I can't say I didn't put it nowhere. So what I said is about coming on here. I already got somebody that loved it. I can explain it from one page. Everything is right here. Everything you need to know. What's the product for Matrix 1? Oh, the product is the autoresponder. Boom, right there. How much does it cost? $15 a month. For each person you enroll in this matrix, there is a $10 fast start bonus. So everybody you enroll, $10 fast start bonus. And the next month, they become part of the matrix. That's where the residual income comes from. So the first month, you won't see this. It starts after 30 days. You will get $10 per person that you enroll. You won't see it from your immediate referrals. And then in 30 days, you'll start seeing yours, and the people you referred, their people will start showing up because they also get $10 for the people they refer. And hopefully, there's a lot of people referring a lot of people, and it just grows. And then once to get to Matrix 2, once you have $100 in accumulated income and you get the new product of a lead capture page, it's only $20 a month is going to come out of your 100. So it's already programmed. As soon as you hit 100 here, 20 is going to come out and it's going to pay for the second matrix, pay you in. So think about it. You're already in profit by the time you get to there because $15 a month come out to 100 also. So you're really at this point you're making about $65 a month if you just break it down to the point where you're in both matrices. You know what I'm saying? That's like the beginning of both matrices. That's what you're making because 15 you deducting and then the 20 makes it $35 out of 100, 65. And now you're growing two matrices and your people will follow you right behind you. And then right here, the product for the third, of course, is 2 bottles of probiotic plus. When you reach $200 a month, then they'll put you in this matrix. So after a total of, you got 15 that you're going to be coming out. That's going to be coming out of here. 20 that's going to be coming out, and then you have 70. So after 90, what's that? $90, and then plus you add that, so $105. You'll be making $95 a month, and you'll be in each matrix. That's just at the beginning. Of course, it's growing. It's going to be more than that. I'm just giving you the basics of what happens when you first hit the $200 mark and what you'll be paying out in order to stay. But regardless of the fact, you only came out of pocket $15. I want you to get that into just drive it deep down into your understanding. Everywhere where you need anything that makes sense to you, drive it deep down into that so you can see what I'm saying. That this company only costs $15 for you to start. You can earn up to $446,000 just from this one company, starting with a $15 a month payment. People, this is crazy. This is very lucrative, and you need to get in and start rolling with us now. Like I said, in the link, I'll put it inside the YouTube channel, also in the comment section, the Telegram group, to take the tour link, everything that you need to be there for you. This is how simple it is. I can explain it just like that, just like I just explained it. Just that. That's the company within a whole. The company within a whole. You explained it. You can explain it on one page. One page right here. That is beautiful. And to be that lucrative, to be able to explain in one page, that's very crazy. So without further ado, make sure you like, subscribe, rock that bell, join our team. Do your homework. You can check into this. It's an American company out of Utah. So obviously you don't have to worry about looking over your shoulder for the company if it's going to be there or not be there. They have products for each level. So you don't have to worry about the SEC coming and shutting you down. All you have to do is join and tell others and build your own dreams. People, let's start being dream builders instead of just being builders for other people's dreams. All right. Like, subscribe, rock that bell, join our team. Let's go. God bless.